Good morning students, welcome back to online classes. Now in this class we will be learning the benefits of e-business. In the last class what we have studied? We have studied what is e-business, what is e-commerce and the difference between e-business and e-commerce and the scope of e-business we have studied, right? But in this class we will be studying the benefits of e-business. So what is e-business? What I said, what is e-business? E-business is the conduct of industry, commerce over the computer network. So here e-business is what? E-business is the conduct of industry, commerce over the computer network, doing the business activities over computer networks or through internet. That is called e-business. So in this class let us see what are all the benefits of e-business. What are all the different benefits of e-business? See benefits of e-business. By conducting of e-business, what are all the benefits of conducting a e-business? We will be studying in this class. Okay. We have different benefits of e-business. The first one is ease of formation and lower investment. Second one is convenience. Third benefit is speed. Fourth one is global reach or access. And the last benefit is movement towards paperless society. We have 5 benefits of e-commerce. The first benefit of e-commerce is ease of formation and lower investment. The second benefit of e-commerce, e-business is convenience. And third one is what? Speed. Fourth one is global reach or access. And the fifth benefit of e-business is movement towards paperless society. So let us discuss all these benefits of e-business in detail one by one. See, the first benefit is what? Ease of formation and lower investment. Why e-business is easier in formation and we don't need any much investments? Here see, in order to have e-business, we don't need much investment. And it is easy to form the business. See, when we plan to have a business, so take an example, if I plan to have one particular business, so in order to plan for that business, I need to look various sequence, like see, I need to have proper location, I need to have one particular building for that, and I need to have particular plant and machineries in order to run the business, and I need to have laborers, I need to have electricity. All those things I need to have, and even I need to get any more permissions and licenses, right? But in case of e-business, it is very easy information and there is no much investment required. Here we don't need to spend more money. No. Here there is no need of spending more. Here there is no need of spending more, because to conduct an e-business, to run an e-business, the e-business doesn't require any particular location or any particular building or any particular plant or machinery. So this e-business is taken place through what? Internet. Through internet facilities, through internet activities only this e-business is taken place. So this e-business is very easy in formation, and it doesn't require any investment. Investment is very low when it compared to physical business. E-business requires low investment, and here by conducting the e-business we can save money. We can save time also. See, if we want to have the business in a physical way, means we require much time and we have to spend more time towards making out the business. But when it comes to e-business, we can save more time and no need of spending more money for running a particular business. It requires only minimum amount to run the business. So this one of the benefit of e-business is what? It is very easy information and it requires very low investment. Okay. And the second benefit of e-business is what? Convenience. What is convenience? What is convenience? Convenience is nothing but availability. Convenience is nothing but what? Convenience is nothing but availability. We will be telling in general, right? See your convenience, whether you can come or you cannot come. We will be telling, right? If you are able to come, means you can come, or else you cannot, you may quit. Like that we will be telling. That is convenience. Here, why convenience is also one of the benefit of e-business, means e-business will be taken place through internet, right? So here e-business will be there for 24/7. If we want to access any time, we can access this e-business. If we want to purchase any of the things at midnight also, we can access for this e-business, right? We can access, because this e-business is taken place through what? Internet. So e-business is available 24/7 services is provided. 24/7 services is provided and it is done throughout the year, 365 days. It carries on throughout the year. E-business carries on throughout the year. There is no holidays, there is no nothing for this. So this e-business will provide 24/7 service, and it runs out throughout the year. That is 365 days also. Here see, it is very convenient to use. How it is very convenient to use? We can access this e-business by sitting at anywhere, at any time, anywhere at any time. See, we can access this anywhere at any time. shop at any time, at any location. If we are sitting in home only, we can purchase whatever we want. We can order whatever we want. See, in case of normal businesses, if we tell someone to purchase a clothes at midnight, do it available? No. Do it possible to purchase clothes at midnight? No. But in case of e-business, if we want to purchase clothes in the midnight also, we can order. We can place an order. We can purchase it. So, this e-business will provide 24/7 facilities, and it will run throughout the year, and we can access this e-business at anywhere by sitting in one place. By sitting in any of the location, we can shop whatever we want, and it is very flexible to use also. It is very convenient to use. There is no much risk of using this e-business. It is very convenient to use this e-business. So, e-convenience is also one of the benefit of e-business. The next benefit of e-business is what? Speed. The next benefit of e-business is what? Speed. How speed is also one of the benefit of e-business? How speed is also one of the benefit of e-business? See, by clicking the mouse, whatever we want, we can order it. Whatever we want, we can purchase by clicking a mouse. See, if you want to purchase anything, if you place an order, it will get booked, right? If you want to book any of the shoes in one particular website, if we go to that website and if we search it out and if we click it out, so our order will be placed. So it is very easy to place the orders, and by sitting at one place, just by clicking the mouse, we can order and we can purchase, we can sell any of the things. Okay, so it is speedy delivery is also available. See, there will be speedy delivery of products. Here, see, here in e-business, speed delivery of products is also done. For example, some movies, some softwares are delivered very soon, and even if we purchase anything and even if we place any of the orders, also, that our order will be delivered within 2 to 3 days. It will not take much time to get and deliver our products also. Here, even e-business will provide speedy delivery of products, and even the electronic fund transfer. Electronic fund transfer facility, technology. The electronic fund transfer technology helps in speed transfer of the funds also. See, if you order, let's take an example of if we are ordering a shoe in one particular website. We have placed an order. So we are paying amount also through online only. We are paying amount through online only. So if we pay an amount also, amount will be sent immediately in a speed way. There is no need of waiting so much here. There is no need to wait so much. Here we don't need to wait so much of time, because here this delivery of products will be delivered within 2 to 3 days, and by clicking the mouse we can order whatever we want. By in the tip of our fingers we can purchase any of the things. By sitting in any place, anywhere, we can purchase whatever we want. So the third benefit of e-business is what? Speed. At the same time, the fourth benefit of e-business is global reach or access. Global reach or access. Fourth benefit of e-business. Fourth benefit of e-business is what? Global reach or access. See, what is global reach? Do e-business is restricted to particular country or particular boundaries? No. If we take a normal, rather than e-business, when the businesses are doing, some business will be restricted to some part of the country, or it will be restricted to one particular place. But this e-business is not restricted to one particular boundary or one particular place. Here, it is not restricted to one particular boundaries. See, here the global reach. Global is nothing but what? Entire world, right? Globe is nothing but whole world. So this e-business is not restricted to one particular person, one particular country or one particular place. But it can access by anyone or anyone among this world. Even we can purchase any of the products from the other countries also. By sitting in a one place, we can purchase any of the things. We can purchase a product of other country by sitting in our place. So this is not restricted to one particular boundary or one particular country. So e-business is carried throughout the world. Entire world can access this e-business. We have many of the sites to shop, or we have many of the sites to order. We have plenty of sites to purchase or sell the products. So this is not restricted to one particular place. It is a global reach. We can access this e-business at any of the time, any place throughout the world. Okay, global reach is also one of the benefit of e-business. And the last benefit of e-business is movement towards paperless society. See here, the last benefit of the e-business is what? Movement towards paperless society. Paperless society means here there is no much use of paper required. In e-business, there is no much use of any paperwork. Here, paperwork is completely restricted. So here we are moving towards the paperless society. Usage of paper is very low in e-business because the business is completely carried over the internet, right? So then there is no use of paper in the conducting of e-business. So movement towards paperless society is also one of the benefit of e-business. See, we have seen 5 benefits of e-business, right? See, I'll explain you once again in brief. The first benefit of e-business is what? Ease of formation and lower investment. It is nothing but it is very easy to form. It is very easy in formation of e-business because there is no much investments or much restrictions or much permissions to be taken in order to form this e-business. There is no need to spend more money for conducting an e-business. If you want to conduct a business, we have to look different factors, like we need a particular plant, we need a building, we need a machinery. So in order to have all these, we require much investment. But in case of e-business, that is not needed. So low investment. Why there is no need of much investment? Because the business is taking place through internet. Right, so it is very easy information, and it doesn't require more investment. It requires only minimum amount of investment. Okay, it is also one of the benefit of e-business. The second benefit we have discussed is what? Convenience. It is convenient to everyone. Very convenient to everyone. If anyone can access at any time, anywhere, whatever we want to purchase or whatever we want to sell, we can access this. We can access this at any time, anywhere, and we can place an order. It provides 24/7 services, and it also runs throughout the year. So it is very convenient in usage of e-business. E-business is very convenient for everyone, and it is very convenient to use. The next benefit of e-business is what? Speed. So here in e-business, the product deliveries and the money transfers will be done very quickly. There is no need to wait so much. No need to wait more. By sitting in one place, we can order. By clicking at the point mouse, by clicking up mouse, we can order anything, we can buy anything, or we can sell anything. And even whatever the orders we have made, all those things we can get delivered within 2 to 3 days. So this e-business is very speed in usage. We can use this e-business very frequently, and it is very useful. And the fourth benefit of e-business is what we have discussed: global reach or global access. Here this e-business is not restricted. It is not at all restricted to one particular place or one particular locality. It is conducted through whole world. Okay, there is no restrictions for e-business. Anyone and each and every corner of the world can access this e-business. Any persons at any place in this world, they can use this e-business. It is not restricted to particular boundaries. Okay, globally it can be used. It is accessed throughout the world. And the last benefit of e-business, what? Movement towards paperless society. What is meant by movement towards paperless society? Means here the business activities are taken place through what? Internet. So when the business activities are taking place through internet, then there will be no much paperwork is needed. So here it is also one of the paperless society. Moving towards the paperless society is also one of the benefit of e-business. These are all the different benefits of what? E-business. Okay. In the next class, let us discuss what are all the different limitations of e-business. Thank you students for listening this class.